Good morning. This is Kanchan Bhatt, currently a fourth-year student of Women Institute of Technology, Dehradun, specialized in electrical engineering. So I first came to know about Ensino through a workshop held at our college, which was based on applications of microcontrollers. So from then, my trust on Ensino started building up. And after then, I completed my 2 summer trainings from Ensino. The first one was on MATLAB. It was a 4-week training. I did it in my second year. And the second one was a 3-month training on plc-scada. So even though the mode was online, I did it in lockdown period. So even though the mode was online, but the content was so well organized and well explained. So I had a great learning experience from Ensino. The teachers are fantastic. They would do anything to help you out, and so thank you for such a satisfactory experience, and I'm glad to be a part of this wonderful learning journey. So thank you.